Ready? Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel.
Channel.
I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
Right now we have some face masks on. We're about to rip them off. Anyways, we have the Rue 21 Cooling Peel Off Mask. We have the lip balm scrub and lip balm. And we tried the bubble mask. What else? We got these lips. She has one on right now.
Too big for me.
If you want to see us rip these masks off our face,
Keep on watching.
then keep watching. What do we say?
You can subscribe.
What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Keep on watching. Oh my gosh. This is painful.
Grandma.
Grandma, did you hear that, Grandma? You're not supposed to be eating.
Yes, I can.
No. Oh my gosh. Hello. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, we got a couple masks we want to try today. We got a Mystic Peel Off Mask. It's supposed to actually cool your face. We got a Bubble Clay Mask. And we have
Lip balm things.
this is a lip scrub and a lip gloss. Why is it all sticky? What'd you do?
I didn't do anything.
And then we got two more
Lip
detoxifying lip masks.
I'm
So
sorry for that.
we
It
have
feels
our rags. Wash your face real quick.
Where's my
Which
rag?
we already did it, but
We need more of it. Oh, I got an idea.
oh my gosh, your face don't have to be that wet. Okay,
I didn't get it.
let's see. Oh my.
There's nothing.
No.
What? Mommy.
Okay,
That always happens.
ready?
It's hard to sign it with your fingers. Yeah.
Okay.
You go first. I'm scared.
Now let's open.
Add it on mirror.
Okay. Oh, it's like feels empty. Okay, it comes out gray.
Look. I'm scared.
Okay. Oh, it's really thick. It's supposed to bubble. Is it bubbling?
No. This might be not worth. Okay, I'm scared.
Okay.
Can you
It's
put it on? Mix that one? No.
Hold
Tell me
on.
when to start.
Okay.
I'm not stirring it up, okay? Can't get
I
anything!
know, it feels empty.
Okay, that should be enough, right?
Oh, I just put it on my lips. Crap. Is it bubbling?
Nah, I can't tell. Okay, I don't want to put it on my face! Okay, look at my mirror. So me.
It's like not bubbling.
I don't want to put it on.
Put it on your face, or just put it on your nose at least. Hurry up, it's dripping. It feels really empty. You have to really squeeze it. Okay, my face is not bubbling.
Was mine? Oh my gosh! It's turning a different color!
What's it doing?
It's turning a different color!
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
It is bubbling! Look!
I don't know what bubbling. I just felt it bubble on
It's
me.
bubbling.
Okay, I'm eating more because I'm running. It's bubbling.
Yeah, here. It is bubbling, but
She
it's...
a whole bunch.
I don't know what I expected.
Mommy, I need my mirror.
Oh my goodness, hurry.
Put me
I can't see you. Get in the camera.
the mirror's all over here.
Get in the camera.
I don't put on my lips like you did.
Oh my gosh, it is bubbling and it's... I can feel it.
I just felt it on my hands. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can... Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
This bubble mask is so
I'm about
fun.
to... Hold on.
I heard it.
Yeah, it's like a weird sound.
It's like, that's why you have ropes on.
It's like... psst, like a old television that has the fuzzy thing on it. That's what it sounds like. She's been rubbing that for too long. They can't see
Like an hour?
They can't see you.
Hey,
Okay, wipe your hands off. You need to stop.
look.
Yeah, it's bubbling. Just wipe your hands. Look into the camera, Ellie. Let them see your face.
I got barely any. Oh, gosh.
Okay, so while we're... It says 3 to 5 minutes. You're supposed to wait for the bubbles to go away. Now, my forehead, it actually looks...
Better.
The bubbles are almost done, but it's really bubbling.
Slide. What is it supposed to do to you?
It's supposed to clean your face. I don't know. Okay,
Like, right. Look at
take the lip scrub and... You gotta take the thing...
Everything is, like, closed.
Ooh! Smells good.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to open this.
No, wait. Rub it on your lips. I can't see. Oh yeah. Oh. Rub it on your lips.
Once I actually had liquid lipstick.
This is a lip scrub. I don't even know what a lip scrub does.
Oh, I don't like the feeling.
It's supposed to be salt. It feels. I think I grabbed way too much.
I didn't. How much I grabbed?
It feels salty.
I don't like it.
Just don't get your face mask on your lips.
At least it smells good.
It smells really good and it's really slimy.
I would probably buy it for the smell.
Well, what's a lip scrub for? To scrub the dead skin off your lips?
No, it
Her face is bubbling really bad. Let me see. Mine's still bubbling.
How long has it been?
I've wiped my face off.
No!
Oh, you hear that?
That's kind of satisfying.
It sounds... I wonder if the camera can listen.
Stuff out because
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's your food. Never mind.
That's
Okay.
my food.
You have chocolate chips on the floor from your granola bar.
Hey, I like the peanut butter.
Okay,
one.
let's finish wiping our face off.
Yeah, mine's
My face feels clean.
It's really. I like the sound of it.
We have this too. I just want to open it and it might be the things that go on your lips. That's the problem.
What do you mean? What the heck?
It's one of these things.
Oh my gosh! What do you do with that?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
What do you do with that? I mean, I can't.
First we gotta put the blue mask on. Wipe your face off.
Wait!
Let me help the baby out.
No.
We're gonna try the blue one.
No!
It's supposed to cool your face. Which I'm very
Hopefully.
nervous. I'm very nervous. Very nervous.
Ew, it's like slime.
It
Let me smell. Oh my god!
stinks.
Look, it's kind of minty with his teeth.
It's minty, like aloe. Okay. Oh, look at that.
It's so gooey. It's like you just put activator
Okay.
in slime.
Rub it on your face. Oh my gosh, how does this work?
Oh.
Rub it on your face.
Ew, like
Oh
you
my
feel the glitter.
goodness.
I can't get any.
Oh, and we're both in our robes.
Yeah.
It's nighttime. Grab it, put it on your face, hurry. And it has actual like sequins and stuff in it.
Yeah, it's real. Trust. Oh, it smells like on the one Hershey candy thing.
What? This does not smell like Hershey candy. No, it does not.
That kind of does.
Oh, I
to
just got
me.
it on my eyebrows. Hurry.
Good job.
You need to get your chin. She's dripping.
I didn't see that.
Okay.
I need to
I
get.
don't know how much you're supposed to put on either.
Yeah, who cares? Just freedom.
Oh, I'm putting a lot.
I need more.
How does this come off? I think you're supposed to rip it off your face.
No! I never did something like that. I want to do that part myself, okay?
Oh, I can feel it starting to dry a little bit.
I
Okay.
can't feel mine.
It's on my face.
My chin keeps on dripping.
There's sequins in certain parts. I took my rag away.
That's my rag.
Yeah, ew. Look at her face.
I need help, okay?
Ew.
What was that?
Oh my god.
What? I have to put a replay on it.
She has. Get in the camera. You have enough. This just like got on me or something.
Good
Oh my
job.
gosh, what is this?
What the? What? Ew.
It's lips. And you're supposed to put it on your lip.
Ew. Where's mine? Where's mine? Oh. Can you open that for me?
Oh. Ew, what the? This is not. Yeah, use mine. What is that? Put it on your lips. What's that do? That don't do nothing. Leave the mask on your lips for 15 to 20 minutes. Peel off and pat remaining. What? I did leave stuff on my lips. I can feel it.
You need to wash your hair.
Okay.
Oh, my neck. It's all on my neck. For real. So, We couldn't get to dry as fast as we wanted it to, so we're gonna use this.
So we're gonna make it faster. Ready?
If we saw where our lips are like hard. I want to do myself. It's still not drying.
I know.
It's so hot. I can't have it on my face.
Let me see.
Feel my lips. Okay, here.
I don't know.
It's so dry right here.
This is like.
I can't move my lips a lot.
It's still so sticky. That didn't help.
So mine's actually done now because I was using the dryer, and so
We're gonna try to take it off. It's been a long time.
it's been a very long time.
I can barely move my face. Look at my face.
It's so hard to move my lips right now. It just feels folding.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I
I can't even see.
This is so thick.
And this, okay, this girl's face
It looks nothing like ours.
is like super blue. Nothing like us.
And ours
So-
is like clear.
and I put a lot on.
I put like nothing on. So her hair's actually stuck.
I
to
can't
us.
get anything. Oh. Where am I supposed to start?
Why does this stays on for us forever?
Did you hear her?
Don't say. I'm like, what if it stays on for us forever?
Hold on. Let's share this. Ready?
Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
I'm getting some.
Ew!
Oh, look.
Your face is like.
Is it red?
Your cheek kind of red. Look.
But it's still.
How do you get this? How do you do this? Help me.
You need to peel your neck because your neck's really peeling.
I can't. I tried. Like...
Oh, this is painful.
Why? Whoever made this, you made it extra painful. See? See? I don't want to take it off no more because your hair's annoying.
Yeah, probably. I got a lot of hair in here.
Like,
This is not fun.
it's painful. Whoever made this, you made this painful.
We both put it on.
Why did
God.
I would prefer this one. This one better.
The bubble mask. It probably didn't help doing the bubble mask, then this right away neither.
We should have done this first. Nope.
Oh, I can't get none of this. Ah. It's like seriously stuck on my face.
I'm getting it.
You have it turned to you. Right there is the worst.
Oh, you're so red.
Yeah, right here is so bad.
I have some right here too.
My eyebrow. Why'd I do that? Okay, y'all. We're about to say goodbye.
No, this
What?
one. Okay.
Yes, we are. We're just gonna, maybe hot water.
No.
This is painful.
We tried for a long time.
Oh, look, it's all in my hair. This was bad. Okay, Ellie. Let's say goodbye.
Okay. I just can't
This
say.
is bad. Look at. Bye, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't try this at home. Seriously.
Unless you want to and be painful. the whole
Yeah.
day or something.
I want to have had her. I didn't think about this, obviously, because
This is the worst face mask and nobody's gonna
Yeah.
use this. I should give it to somebody
What's
for their
my-
birthday.
yeah, it's gonna be a Christmas gift.
Grandma.
Grandma, did you hear that, Grandma? Oh my gosh! Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.